Welcome to the another episode of the Tech Wizard series, where you can find how to process and technical information, tips and shortcuts to take full advantage of the capabilities available within your Panasonic device. This is Vasant Thana. I am a principal software engineer with Panasonic. In this episode, I am going to talk about how to disable and enable the touchpad using the keyboard shortcut with TOUGHBOOK 55. Disclaimer: the customer is liable to any damage to the system or replacement component while servicing the unit. In this event, the customer will be responsible for any and all charges related to the repair of the system by the Panasonic National Service Center. In this video, I am going to show how to enable and disable the touchpad using the keyboard shortcuts. I am going to press Function and Escape together. So that will disable the touchpad, and there is a toast notification. It clearly says that touchpad has been disabled. So if I press the Function and Escape together once more, that will enable the touchpad. So I can see the toast notification saying the touchpad has been enabled. So I can see the touchpad is working. The same thing if I press it again, that will disable the touchpad and the touchpad is not working anymore. So this is how you can enable and disable the touchpad using the keyboard shortcuts. Thank you for joining this episode of the Tech Wizard series. If you have any questions, you can contact Panasonic support at 1-800-LAPTOP5 or email us at toughbook@us.panasonic.com.